Hi everyone, today we're going to compare decimals. Let's take 76 hundredths here. The 7 is in the tenths place, and a 6 is in the hundredths place. So if each of these flats is one whole, 7 tenths is going to look like this. 7 columns out of 10 columns will be shaded in, and 6 hundredths will look like this, with 6 out of 100 shaded in. As you can see, 7 tenths is a lot bigger than 6 hundredths. So now let's compare 7 tenths to 57 hundredths. Now to do this, we should look at the largest place, which in this case is 1, and above 0. So then we move on to the next largest place, or next greatest place, which is tenths. There's 7 tenths here and 5 tenths here. Right there, we just stop. We know 7 is greater than 5, so 7 tenths is greater than 57. Now let's look at another one. 23 hundredths compared to 32. Again, we're going to look at the greatest place, and 0 is the same. Then we go to the tenths place, and the 2 is less than the 3. We don't have to look beyond that. We know that 32 hundredths is greater than 23 hundredths. So 23 hundredths is less than 32 hundredths. Let's look at one more. We have 2 tenths and 20 hundredths. So again, we look at the 0, and the 0 in the ones place, they're equal. Then we look at the tens place. We have a 2 in the tens place on each side. This has a 0 here, so there's no value. So 2 tenths and 20 hundredths is equal. Now it's your turn to try some. Give it a try, and good luck.